Good afternoon, ma. Listen, today 9th max, 7th chapter mensuration, exercise 7.1. Already 7 sums finished. Next 8th question. Sorry, 6th question finished. 7th question. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD whose sides are AB 13 cm, BC 12, CD 9 cm, AD 14 and diagonal BD. So this is the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means 4 sides closed figure. Okay. 4 sides is there and closed figure. That figure is called quadrilateral. So the sides are given. So we want to find this area. Okay. So first I find this triangle and this triangular area. Okay. So after we add this two. So first triangle area of ABD. Okay. So area of ABD. So 3 sides are not equal. 13, 14, 15. 3 sides are not equal. So what is the formula is? Area is equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So first we want to find S. So is equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. So 13 plus 14, 27. 27 plus 15. 42. Okay, so 42 by 2, so is equal to AC equal to 21. So area is equal to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, root of, sorry, root of. So S is 21. 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, it's a 21 minus 15. So 21 into 21 minus 13, 8, 8, 21 minus 14, 7, okay. Next 21 minus 15, 6. So root of, so 27, how do you write? 3 7s are 21. So this one you write 2 4s are, how do you write? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, this 8 I divide, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 7, 2 3s are 6. Okay. So this 2 3 will take 1 3, next 2 7 will take 1 7, so 2 we take 1 2, this 2 we take 1 2. Okay, so 3 7s are 21, 21 2s are 42, 42s are 84. Okay, next we want to find this triangular area only. I already find it. So this triangle you find it to say area of, so BCD. Okay, so first we find S. So 9 plus 12 plus 15 by 2. 9 plus 12, 21. 21 plus 15, 36 by 2 is equal to 18. So area is equal to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, root of. So S is 18, 18 minus 9, 18 minus 12, 18 minus 15. So 18, 18 minus 9, 9, 18 minus 12, 6, 18 minus 15, 3. Okay. Next, 18, how do you write? 3 9s are, sorry, 3 6 are 18. Okay, this 9 you divide, 3 3s are 9. This 6 you divide, 2 3s are 6. Okay, this 18 I divide, 3 6 are 18. This 9 I divide, 3 3s are 9. 6, 6 I divide, 2 3s are 6. That's 3. Okay, so we'll take 2 3, we'll take 1 3. Next this 2 3, this 3 3. Next this 6 also divide, listen, this 2 2 3 we take 1 3, this 2 3 we take 1 3. Next 2 3s are 6, already 6 is there, so already I take 6 because this 2 3s are 6. Okay, so 3 into 3, 6 6 6 are 3 3s are 9, 9 6 are 54. So area of ABCD is equal to area of ABD plus area of BCD. Okay, so 54 plus 84 is equal to 138. Okay, next also the same question. A park is in the shape of a quadrilateral, so this also one quadrilateral. Okay, this like one quadrilateral is there. Next, the sides of your park is 15 centimeter. This 15. Okay, this 20 centimeter. Next 26. Next 17. Okay, so and the angle between the first two sides are a right angle. This first two sides, these two sides are right angle triangle. Okay, so I'll take this triangle. This triangle is first two sides are right angle. So this is 15, this is 20. So this side, how do I find? Already I told, use Pythagoras theorem. So this hypotenuse is equal to, this side I will take x. So x is equal to root of 15 squared plus 20 squared. So 15 squared plus 20 squared, 15 to 25 plus 400. We take 625. So we'll take a root, we get 25. Okay, because 25 5s are 625, so I will take 25. So this side is 25. So this side we find. So first we find this triangle and this triangle. So I will give name ABCD. So first area of ABD is equal to, first find S. So S is equal to 20 plus 15 plus 25 by 2. So 20 plus 15 35, 35 plus 25 60 by 2 is equal to 30. So area is equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is 30, 30 minus 20, 30 minus 15, 30 minus 25 is equal to 30 into 10 into 15 into 5. Okay, so 30, how do you write? 3 10s are 30. Next 10, right? 15, 3 5s are 15. Next this 5. Okay, this I will take 3 10s are 30. Next 15 I will divide 3 5s are 15. So 2 3 we take 1 3, 2 10 is there, we take 1 10. So 2 5 is there, we will take 1 5. So 3 30s are 30, 35s are 150. Okay, next area of BCD. Okay, so first we want to find S. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So 25 plus 26 plus 17 by 2 is equal to 51 plus 17, 68 by 2 equal to 34. 34. So S equal to 34. So area is equal to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, root of. So S is 34. So 34 minus 25, 34 minus 26. Okay, 34 So 34 minus 25, 9. 34 minus 26, 8. Next 34 minus 17, 17. So equal to 34. How do you divide? 2 17s are 34. Okay. So next. So 9 you divide 3 3s are 9. 8 you divide 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So 8 I divide 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 9. I divide 3 3s are 9. 34 I divide 2 7s are 4. 2 17s are 14. So 17. So 17. 2 17s are 4. We take 117. 2 2s are we take 1 2. This 2 will take 1 2. This 3. 17 into 2, 54. 54 into 2, 108. 108 into 3, 204. So area of ABCD is equal to area of ABD plus area of BCD. Okay, so 150 plus 204 is equal to 354 square centimeter. Okay, thank you.